welcome back to my channel. So today is a huge, and I mean huge, I have this bag and this bag, which means I went to Primark. Now we have a newly updated store in Norwich which opened yesterday, and I was there at 10 o'clock ready to go and shop the new Primark store, as I was so excited. It's been in a different location for about 18 months, 2 years, and the new location, well, the relocated location, was kind of out of the way for me. I never really walked through it unless I was kind of using it as a destination. I need to go to Primark. I kind of just forgot about it, if I'm honest. But now it's back in the new place, I'm going to be going there all the time because it's the perfect shop where you just kind of can cut through from one side of the city to the other side, which means then you accidentally spend £30–40 because you get distracted whilst you're going through, which is obviously a very clever Primark. I went yesterday to go and have a look. I've accidentally managed to spend well over £100, which I don't think I've ever done in Primark, so well done Natalie, pat on the back, good effort for that. Sorry, bank balance. So I wanted to show you everything that I have bought. Managed to find some real goodies. I'm not going to lie, I'm literally buzzing for what I'm going to show you. I have real mixture of things, and you'll see by the end of this that I am a child that loves Christmas. I'm going to start with, we'll start with a little bag. What I really liked in Primark yesterday is because there were such queues, obviously because it was a new store opening. In the queue they were giving out bottles of water, which I really appreciate because it's really hot, it's really stressful because everyone's like pushing and shoving, and everyone's really excited as well. So well done Primark, really appreciate that little thing. First thing, oh my god, look at this. Is this not the cutest bag you've ever seen in your life? So I'm off to Disneyland next month for my 28th birthday, because that's what you do when you're 28, you go to Disneyland Paris. And I was really like just taken by this bag. It's so cute. It looks silver in the viewfinder, but it's definitely rainbow. It's got a really cute Mickey here. It's really cute, and it's a backpack, and it's super glittery, and I'm gonna love it, and I just needed it in my life. I feel like in Disneyland I don't want to have a handbag because my hands aren't gonna be free to do like all the Disney stuff, and I kind of wanted a bag that was big enough to fit my camera in it and my purse, a bottle of water, and this is the perfect size. It's so adorable. This was £12, flipping love it. It's so cute, look at it, oh my god. So the Disney theme still running through, still running strong in this haul in second item. So my second item is this. Now this was actually kind of mentioned on the Primark opening, like pre-opening video, that our store was going to have this particular item that sold out everywhere else, and I didn't know I needed this item until I saw that video. So first things first, we got a pair of black heels with Minnie Mouse on the back. Are these not just the cutest heels you've ever seen in your life? The insoles are like pink and red love hearts. Oh my god. I've worn them already and they're literally adorable. They're like a crossover at the front, which I think is really nice. They're like, I'm cool, I'm a grown up. Oh no, I'm not. I'm a grown up. No, I'm not. The little bow is really cute. Apparently these are sold out pretty much everywhere, and I managed to get my hands on them. They also had them in a silver colour, but I wanted the black because I thought they were kind of classic and go with everything. £14 for those little Bobby Dazzlers. Love them. Really sensible heel height. I've already shot in them. If you haven't seen the image, then you need to go over to my Instagram right now and see how beautiful all these shoes are. Next is, oh my god, I'm really not helping myself here on the grown-up kid situation, this backpack. Again, another backpack for Disney, because obviously you can't just have one backpack. I'm there for like 4 or 5 days, so I need to have a few options in backpacks. And this is really cute. It was actually in the kids section, but do I care? No. It is a faux fur, fluffy little bag. It's got Minnie Mouse and she's glittery. It's got a white pom-pom. This was £12 as well. It's just so adorable. Like, I'm gonna look like a little kid in Disney, but I am a kid, so what can you do about it? Okay, I'm just going to dive in because this is all randomly mixed up. So next is the Duo Adhesive. I use this eyelash glue all the time. Primark has one of the best prices for it. I was going to do a shoot yesterday and realised just in one that I had run out of eyelash glue. So I needed some eyelash glue, and it was convenient that Primark was open. So I can't think how much it was, and the receipt's probably firmly at the bottom of this bag. There was literally so much in this bag. I got some hairbands. I can now finally put my hair up. It's taken so long, but I can finally put it up. And I'm very, very excited about that. Got the rainbow headbands. There's yellows, browns, greens, blues, reds, pinks and oranges. £1 for 60 hairbands. Like, come on. Can't get any better than that, surely. Next is a lip balm. This is a watermelon lip balm. It says see the possibilities and it's Ariel because I'm a child and I need to keep my lips hydrated. Some Minnie Mouse nail files because... just because. A new headband for when I do my YouTube tutorials. This is a pink one. It's a bow and you twist it and I'm going to look really cute and I hope I do anyway. Needed it in my life. All of this stuff is basically I just needed it in my life. Next are a couple of bits for Chris. So Chris is a massive Star Wars fan and the fact that we're going to Disneyland in January, because I haven't said that enough, it's a Frozen and Star Wars celebration. One for me, one for him. So I thought he needed some merch because he's really adamant that he's not wearing Disney ears, even though I've told him he needs to wear Disney ears. So we are on the Star Wars hype. So I managed to get him this t-shirt here. This is a Star Wars t-shirt and then it's got a little thing on the back. I am currently watching through all the Star Wars with him. We're on number 3. Vaguely understanding it. This was £8 and I think it's going to look really nice for him. He doesn't wear colour, but that's a slight introduction of colour, isn't it? And I might have to steal that. If it disappears, you know where it went. Next is another thing for Chris. They seem to have a lot of men's stuff in there. These were £12 and you got them in a size medium. They are some just smart black joggers. It's just nice to sometimes have a pair of smart joggers that you wear out and not feel like you look like outside in tracksuit bottoms. I have a really smart tracksuit and I love it. And he's like, oh, you look so cool, but yeah, you can go out in it. And I'm like, just get some smart tracksuit bottoms. So now we have some smart tracksuit bottoms. Next is a dress. I will put a picture of me along here. This is my Instagram dress. This is a pink little Bobby Dazzler. Look at those sleeves. I mean, come on. Can you get any more extra than those sleeves? And then it's got a little belt and then it's puffy at the bottom. It's so nice. It was £18. Come on. That's just a no-brainer, surely. Next is this. Oh, yes. This is quite punky for me. I bought this. This is a green check high neck top. I'm loving long sleeves at the moment. I think they're kind of an under the radar thing for me. I never used to wear long sleeves and now I completely appreciate a long sleeve and I want to wear it all the time. So I need some more in my wardrobe. And I love this one. It's a bit punky, as I said, but quite like it. Extra small and £8. £8 for a t-shirt, people. I just don't know how. I just don't know. Okay, so I bought this top to go with that top, the little layering number. That is all. Like, come on. Is Love Actually not the best Christmas film ever? The fact that I've got it in a t-shirt and it's got Hugh Grant doing his little scene where he's just a cool ass dude. Come on. It's got to be the best t-shirt ever, surely. I'm not really a fan of Christmas jumpers. They're not really my jam, but a Christmas t-shirt, I can completely get on board with that. And even though it's black, I'm going to team it with like a long sleeve t-shirt underneath, like the green one or a multicoloured one. So I'm still looking colourful, but I needed this t-shirt in my life. And it was, I got it in extra small, and it was £6. Next item. Oh my god, I love this. Flipping love it. It's going to go with the green top and the Love Actually top. This might be my Christmas Day outfit. It's this little Bobby Dazzler skirt. It's just so adorable. Faux red leather, croc material, A-line. It's a really, really nice length. I sized up to a size 10 in this because I know I'm going to wear it with like jumpers tucked in or like multiple layers on the top. So I didn't want that like, oh my god, I'm like a sausage squeezed into a skirt. I wanted it still to look nice, but be able to be layered. It was a grand total of £8. I'm telling you now, I've seen a identical item like this, not far from Primark in Norwich, for £40. £40, I could get 4 of them and a bit. And a duo adhesive for that. I flipping love you, Primark. I have a love affair with it. I literally have a love affair with it. Next, a bum bag that's super, super jazzy. Oh my god. Oh my god. I thought this would be really cute in the party season. I don't always want to carry a handbag. I don't want to have my hands free. Like, now I've discovered how amazing having our hands free is, I don't ever want to hold a handbag again. I just don't want to do it. It's just such a commitment. Like, why would you do it? Why would you hold a bag when you could not hold a bag but still have the bag? Why would you do it? Like, I just don't Just don't understand why you do that, really. This was £6. It's covered in rhinestones. It's so, so pretty. Silver hardware, long faux leather strap. I'm going to wear it like this because I'm a badass and I look super, super cool. And I just love it. Just perfect. It's going to be great for festivals too in the summer, because I'm planning to do a lot of festivals next summer. Another man's item that I will slowly steal, because that's what us girls do with your clothes, boyfriends. This is another Star Wars jumper. It is Star Wars number. It is £14. It looks like this on the front. Star and the Wars. And then on the back it's got like the intro thing. It's going to be good in Paris, because he needs to be wearing his merch if I'm dressing up as a 12-year-old. I know mine's by choice, but when you're in the mood, you're in the mood. We're reaching the bottom. Dive in and get lost. Next, oh, it's another present for Chris. Chris, hope you're not watching this because you might see your present. He loves Crash Bandicoot. I love Crash Bandicoot. I'm literally a boy when it comes to like computer games and stuff. I really love these socks. 5 pairs of socks for £6, and they look really cute. I'm definitely stealing these socks. They had some really cool Pringle ones there as well that look like tubes of Pringles, and they had some Star Wars ones, Pokemon ones. Literally there was like a million different pairs of socks. So I managed to get some little home LED indoor lights, £2.50. I thought these would be really nice like in the background of my videos and stuff, just to make it a little bit more YouTubier. But £2.50, I thought they were really good, even if I just put them in a jar somewhere. All in the aesthetics. Next one is a concealer. Now I am in love with this concealer. I don't necessarily use it as a concealer all the time though. I use it for a cut crease. Now I'm new to a cut crease, but I have bought a cut crease product from a well-known brand, and then I used this instead. And I didn't chuck it on the floor, but I used that instead. I'm now picking this up with my feet. Well done. God, skills. Used this the second day, like I used the premium product on the first day, this on the second day, the cut crease, and this lasted so much better and the consistency was better. So now I'm going to use this for my cut creases. And £2, I got it in the shade Porcelain because I'm embracing the paleness currently. And I felt like it was a good colour match. And for £2, like really, you can't go wrong. You literally cannot go wrong. I'm going to go into tights. Now I flipping love tights currently. Last year I didn't understand tights, didn't get tights. I'm still kind of... I love the look of them, but I don't know how I love the feel of them. I feel like because I'm really short, they kind of come up like right over my bra basically, and like that isn't attractive for anybody involved. And I just feel like it's an all-in-one suit. But then also it sucks you in and like pulls you in and makes you look great. So swings and roundabouts. But I managed to get 2 pairs of tights. Actually I got 3. I got 2 of these little Bobby Dazzlers because they're just so cool and I know I'm going to wear them all the time. They're a fishnet, but a glitter fishnet. Glitter fishnet tights, people. I'm telling you, it's going to be a hype. £3.50 for 1 pair of tights. Love that. So affordable, so sparkly. I've already worn mine, flipping love them, and they literally just scream Christmas. And then the next pair are a black opaque type with little dots, polka dots on them. They're so cute. I'm really not helping myself here. Really not. A Disney Minnie Mouse hairbrush. But it's kind of practical, like I need it. I'm taking care of my hair now. Like I should be looking after it. So I need a nice hairbrush. It's got a little mirror too, so it's really cute. I love to keep in my handbag. I'm a sucker for anything Disney. Next is a hairband. I was going to put it on there, I'm going to show you. It's a hairband. It's like meshed rhinestones. It's really cute. I love a hairband. I think they're just adorable. I think they kind of jazz up any kind of look. Look, see how much better my hair looks now? Now it's got the hairband on. I'm going to keep it on. I'm going to keep it on. It's just £5. Love it. Love hairbands. Especially now my hair's short. I kind of feel like that... I'm just completely just checking my hair. I feel like now my hair's short, I feel like I need to keep it interesting, and headbands kind of help with that. Primark had so many headbands. Like there was literally so many headbands, but I decided on this one because I feel like I have hundreds, but I don't have a black one. And then lastly is these cozy socks. I love socks, I flipping love them. £1.80 for 2 pairs of socks. How is Primark doing it? Just how? I don't know, but it's a vibe. And I got them in red and green and white because they look Christmassy. That is everything that I managed to buy in Primark. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a double tap. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoy. Look how small my thumbs are. Everyone always addresses that back. My thumbs are really small. Until next time, au revoir.